Today I'll show you how to perform the downward dog with pedals. This is a great exercise to strengthen and mobilize your entire posterior chain from the bottom of your feet to your calves to your hamstrings, all the way up into your mid-back. It's an exercise that I include in my warm-up pretty much every day I work out. This is an exercise I do, so I figured I'd show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and get it set up. The easiest way to get into the down dog position is from the quadruped position. So let's go ahead and get on our hands and knees. And from there, I'm going to curl my toes and then lift my knees up off the ground and shoot my hips straight into the air. So this is the downward dog position. To add the pedals, we're going to pay attention to our heels. So you'll notice that your heels are slightly off the ground. So to pedal it out, what I'm going to do, I'll start by flattening my right heel while I slightly bend my left leg. And so you'll feel a lot of that tension in that right foot from the foot to the calf to the hamstring, and then you're just going to switch. So I'll flatten my left heel while bending my right leg. And so again, in terms of the pace, you can go as fast as you want. I like to start slow, and then maybe you can work up to a little bit faster, really trying to feel that stretch. And another thing I like to do when I use this as part of my warm-up is get it into the mid-back. And so to do that, I really press through my hands and I bring my head and my chest in front of my arms. And you'll feel that in your shoulders and your chest. And then you can still pedal it out from there. So give that a try. That is the downward dog with pedals. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, I like to use the downward dog with pedals as part of my warm-up to my strength training routine to really mobilize that posterior chain and get it ready for a workout. But this is a great one that you can do every day just to get some movement throughout the day. That downward dog position is a great position to find yourself in to get some movement in your body and get you feeling better. So that's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.